Hey there, my YouTube family, let's get latest updates on iPhone 16 design surprises. There will be some big changes coming for the iPhone 16 lineup, most notably the standard iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. Earlier reports from MacRumors suggested 3 different prototype designs for the iPhone 16, but the most recent leak seems to confirm which one we are getting. For the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus, Apple is departing from the diagonal camera layout that it has been using for the past few years. Instead, it's going with the vertical pill-shaped camera island, similar to what we first saw on the iPhone X, except a bit bigger due to the lenses and sensors. Any design changes for the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max may be less drastic, as Apple seems to be pretty content with the changes it introduced with the iPhone 15 Pro. However, a more recent leak from reliable tipster Ice Universe suggests that the iPhone 16 Pro will reduce the bezel even more drastically, making it an even narrower bezel phone than the Samsung Galaxy S24, which seems to be very close to the dream form. This may translate to 1.2mm bezels on the iPhone 16 Pro and 1.15mm bezels on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Reports have suggested that new capture button will be capacitive rather than physical, and it will sit flush with the phone's frame. Since it is rumored to be a capture button, it will most likely be able to act as a camera shutter button, though it could also be customizable like the action button. This rumor may have just been confirmed by leaker Majan BU, who uploaded 2 photos of the iPhone 16 Pro case, showing larger camera cutouts. The larger camera sensor would correspond with the rumor that the 12-megapixels ultrawide camera is said to be replaced with a larger 48-megapixels Sony IMX903 sensor. The wireless antenna will be relocated to the other side of the iPhone to accommodate this new capacitive button. The action button may also be larger on the iPhone 16 Pro models than on the current iPhone 15 Pro. Although iPhone design changes are never confirmed until Apple shows off the phone itself, it looks like these rumors have some weight to them. In early April, well-known Apple leaker Sonny Dixon shared photos of iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro dummy models, reiterating all of the design changes. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications on all things. Bye for now.